If you're a plan advisor today, you're doing more work than ever. More meetings, more benchmarking, more documentation, more fiduciary oversight. And yet, plans still look the same. Fees keep compressing, RFPs keep coming, and when participants retire, assets still walk out the door. That's not a service problem, it's a business model problem. Most plan advisors are trapped managing accounts when what sponsors and participants actually care about is retirement income. You can build a prudent menu, you can select best-in-class investments, you can win on fees, and still be asked the one question the 401k was never designed to answer. How does this turn into a paycheck I can count on for life? Plan advising is at an inflection point. Investment management is being commoditized. Model portfolios are everywhere. Record keepers are moving upstream. AI is absorbing asset-centric tasks. The advisors who thrive won't be the ones who manage money better. They'll be the ones who own the retirement outcome. DB 401k was built for plan advisors who want to move beyond accumulation and into relevance. It's not a product, it's not a plan redesign, and it's not an annuity mandate. DB 401k is a pension replacement framework that allows you to define a retirement income goal, monitor progress toward it, and course correct along the way. It transforms the 401k from a savings vehicle into a personal pension experience. DB 401k gives plan advisors something they've never truly had: differentiation that can't be price shopped, a reason to stay relevant at retirement, deeper sponsor conversations, higher participant engagement, a path to retaining assets instead of watching them roll away. With DB 401k, you're no longer judged on markets you don't control. You're valued for outcomes you help deliver. DB 401k works as an overlay to existing plans. No record keeper change, no disruption to current investments, no added employer liability. You can start with a pilot, you can scale over time, and you stay in control of the relationship. The question for plan advisors is no longer whether the 401k system needs to evolve. It does. The real question is whether you want to be remembered for managing accounts that fluctuate or for delivering retirement paychecks your clients can rely on. DB 401k is how plan advisors make that leap. If that future interests you, let's talk.